guys, we've come back to the lovely Access Resort and Villas here in Karon in Phuket. It is our 4th time staying here. We'd love to show you guys around and give you guys a 2025 update. We did do a video 3 years ago, but let's go and see what's improved in the 3 years post-pandemic and see how much you guys will enjoy this place like we do.
Sunshine on the sea, palms are swaying, calling me, friendly faces, hearts so kind.
Since our last visit here, the pools have been receiving an upgrade. This is the original pools with the dark blue tiles like you would have seen last time in our video. So there are still a lot of these around near the front area and also the green wing rooms. However, the blue wing rooms have been updated as well as the pools. So we'll go and show you what they look like and what the difference is with those.
Smiles, peace of mind, Access Resort, like a VIP, crystal pools and cocktails shine like rainbow delights, Phuket days and starry night.
Alright guys, we're going to take you on a tour through one of the new renovated rooms in the blue wing. This is not our actual room, but they've been nice enough to just make one up for us to go for a wander through and have a look because you don't want to see our room today. So yeah, let's go and have a look through. Everything's been freshly painted and there's new furnishings, so if you've stayed here before you'll notice the comparison. But yeah, we'll show you the beauty of these rooms. So the first thing we noticed was that there was some nice fresh lighter tiles from last time. You go through to the bathroom. Bathrooms aren't much different, but yeah, you've got a lovely indoor-outdoor type shower and bathtub in these bathrooms as well. The doors have been painted. All of this furnishing here is all new. It used to be dark brown, now it's like a lighter beach colour, which sort of adds to that sort of tropical feel. The same with that, the furnishings coming through to the room. One of the nice things about this resort is the beautiful towel. Usually animals, but this is a really cute little couple. How cute are they? You know, and someone's coming back, so they've got a welcome back sign on their bed, which is what we had when we came in as well. And a nice day bed. And then of course the beautiful thing about these rooms is that you have direct pool access, and most of the rooms here at the resort do have pool access. So just think about how convenient that is, not to have to grab all your gear and traipse down to the pool and fight for a lounge. You know, you just walk straight out onto your balcony and you're straight into the pool. So absolutely gorgeous day here. You've got 2 really comfortable lounges, which we've spent a lot of time just lying out on these lounges because it's so nice. A rack for drying your clothes is always handy. And the blue wing pool, as we've stated before, has been redone, so it's been renovated. Instead of having little stools that we used to have to step on and sit on, now you've got lovely steps which go straight into the pool, and you've got these ledges either side, so you've got plenty of space for sitting and just relaxing and enjoying the beautiful pool access rooms.
Access Resort, like a VIP, crystal pools and feeling free, cocktails shine like rainbow delights, Phuket days and starry nights. From villa doors that touch the blue, to smiling eyes that welcome you, where every sunset paints the sky. You never wanna say goodbye.
The beautiful rooms where you can have your massage. It's nice and dark and moody. It was so nice and relaxing yesterday, and it smelled so nice too.
At the Access Resort, come stay a while. The world slows down and hearts just smile. Amazing food, the ocean breeze, Phuket's love will set you free.
Welcome.
We hope you've enjoyed this 2025 update on the Access Resort and Villas. We absolutely love staying here. Definitely not a sponsored post by any means. We just absolutely enjoy staying here. And just wanted to show you guys the love and joy of this place and hope that you will enjoy it too.